Here I've got MEIZU M8 Lite, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at first, let's open the browser that we are using. In my case it's Google Chrome. Then tap on the More icon, select History, and here you will notice Clear Browsing Data tab, so just select it. And now you have some basic and advanced options. So under basic you will find browsing history, cookies and site data, and also cached images and files. And under advanced you have a few more, like saved passwords and autofill from data or site settings. And this is it. And now you can smoothly erase it by tapping on clear data, but previously select the time range, so just pick the period of time from which you would like to delete this data. I will choose all time and then tap on clear data. And that's it. There is no history here and you can create it from scratch. So this is it. This is how you can clear browsing data in your MEIZU M8 Lite. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.